Today, we want to route Supabase authentication emails to a third party. Now, why would we want to do that? Maybe you've hit this famous email rate limit exceeded error, or maybe you just want to send the authentication emails from your own domain. Now, something a lot of junior developers don't realize is how hard it is to set up your own email infrastructure from scratch. So if you're sending anything less than millions of emails a month, you want to use an email third party or an email provider. Now, there are many of those around the world. As a founder of Pinggram.io, I'm heavily biased towards Pinggram.io. It's because of ease of use and that it not only supports emails, it also supports SMS, push notifications, and all the other types of communication you may need with your users later. So let's go ahead and set this up. You can go to Pinggram.io, check out our pricing. It has a very generous free tier, and sign up. During the onboarding process, you'll come to this step where you're asked to integrate your notification, your first notification that you're building. And there is a Supabase tab where we're directing you if you're hitting this Supabase rate limit issue. You can pick that and select the Integrate with Supabase button. Now, if you already have a Pinggram account, you can always go to Settings, SMTP, and use this Integrate with Supabase button here too. The other way to do this is to copy paste these values manually, but we're going to use the Integrate with Supabase button to do this a lot faster. We're going to authorize Pinggram with Supabase. Once that's done, you can choose one of your Supabase projects. And you have to pick a name for the email sender. So where are these emails coming from? They're coming from my app. And no reply at Saham.io. And if you haven't verified this domain inside Pinggram, you'll get this little warning to set up your domain verification later so that the emails would come truly from your own domain. Once that's done, you can head back to this Supabase SMTP settings, and you can see that there are pre-filled already for us, and they're ready to go. To test it out, you can go to one of your users, and let's say we send a password recovery or a confirmation email. Here is the said email. You'll notice it's coming from my app, but it's still coming from the Pinggram.io domain. That's because I haven't verified my own domain yet. Now, here's the cool part. You can go back to Pinggram dashboard. You can go to the logs and check out all the emails that are being sent. Check their preview, see their status. Even if the links are clicked, you can track those and you get more power tools like analytics and so on. That's all you need to do. Don't forget to verify your domain. Hope you enjoyed.